We are facing times like never before while fighting the current virus pandemic globally. Ask yourself these questions, thinking of our situation right now, but also think about the past. Has the current pandemic affected your business? Are you requiring a heightened sense of cleanliness? Ever suffered a bacterial outbreak? If not today, it could have been yesterday or maybe even tomorrow, but there is always a need for cleanliness in manufacturing plants. Buenos días, me llamo Yacho Cedeño y trabajo para GDI Integrated Services. Yo quiero introducir los beneficios de trabajar con nuestra compañía. Spanish is the language spoken in Mexico, where I would like to start offering our services. Just in case, what I said was, good day, my name is Joshua Cedeño, and I work for GDI Integrated Services. I would like to introduce the benefits of working with our company. Under any situation, but primarily focusing on where we are today, we can ease the effect of viruses and bacteria. We do this with a variety of methods, whether it be through our janitorial services, industrial sanitation, or both. Some of the processes we focus on is hitting hotspots on a continued basis and always performing personal ATP swabs. Most of the time, our customers perform their own swabs, but we take it upon ourselves to ensure the highest quality assurance possible. Another way we aid your business is by grouping our different services into one to provide a cost-effective rate. Some of our services mostly used at a manufacturing plant are maintenance, janitorial, and sanitation. Take maintenance, for example, a high-paying position that can include electricians, plumbers, welding, production line maintenance workers, and others. Sometimes these positions have limited work at plants, and employees draw a check for minimal work. Going through us, we provide a general maintenance employee that can be used in different facets of maintenance rather than a singular position. We can do this virtually with all our positions. Another benefit is the ability to aid in the growth of surrounding communities with the work gained by GDI from a new contract with your business. It will open the door for a new market of employees to enter the workforce. If you take Tijuana, Mexico, for example, the average base salary is 231,000 Mexican pesos a year. An industrial senator averages 263,000 Mexican pesos a year. Being able to present new jobs and career opportunities would positively affect job seekers and provide healthy competition. Here we have some sample pictures of some problems GDI has been able to take care of. This is a senator detailing an electrical panel during a scheduled shutdown. Have you ever wondered what a few thousand pounds of loose rice looks like? We're able to clear and detail this excess waste in a matter of hours. Here is the floor of a storage warehouse that had neglected their floors for a long period of time. Taking into consideration our current situation globally, here's an example of working together with our customer to provide social distancing at work. Aside from cleaning and disinfecting, we also help our customers with organizational management of supplies, chemicals, and more. This is the byproduct from the picture previously showed of One Clean using our industry-leading chemicals. At GDI Integrated Services, we do not rest when it comes to supporting our customers. On average, we work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with our manufacturing partners. Whether it be sanitation, janitorial, adverse events, anything, we are here to help. We do this by working very closely with the leadership from our customer-specific plants. From working together on projects to refining master sanitation schedules to planning for a shutdown, we work together to have appropriate responses. This leads us to continuously offer industry-leading services. Why would you want us servicing your factories if we're not offering the necessary innovation to wow you all the time? For that reason, we never settle where we are and we push forward to build a long-lasting partnership. Again, my name is Joshua Cedeño, and as a Director of Operations for our new Mexico division, I want to give you the assurance that GDI and myself will take care of you. I came into the industry as an extra hand and worked my way up to where I am today. My educational background from Thunderbird School of Global Management gave me the adequate tools to succeed in the highly cross-cultural world of this industry. I was able to put those skills to the test as a site supervisor and manager for various of our current customers, leading me to push for this division. So if you are needing help with a COVID disinfecting or just need a top to bottom wash, we will be ready to assist, listen, and work for you immediately. And if you reference this presentation, I am sure we will be able to work out a new partnership discount for the first year of our contract. Thank you very much, and I hope to hear from you soon.